Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle that has classic styling and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in bright white. With the S Appearance package, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum black noise wheels, black stow-in-place roof rack, black badging, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch full-color digital driver info display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, blind spot and cross path detection, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, stow and vac integrated vacuum powered by Rigid, second row and third row stow and go seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number
D5460. All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.